Hello, lovelies. You're all welcome to Delicious Kitchen. Happy to have you all here with me today. Lovelies, we are making this 2-in-1 fish roll. We're going to make fried one and baked fish roll. It's a must watch. Make sure you watch it up to the end. You're gonna love it. That is all-purpose flour. I'll be using 2.5 cups. Please check the comment section for the list of the ingredients and their measurements. So I'll be adding baking powder into it now. That is salt, sugar, butter, I'll be adding 1 egg into it, and after that all you need to do is to wash your hands and combine everything together. It's now time to be adding water into it. You can be adding it bit by bit, all right? Shout out to Mira's Kitchen watching from Germany. Thank you so much for liking our recipes. Please remember to leave a like, comment, and let me know where you're watching us from. Thank you. For you to be sure those ingredients are already well combined, you can just flour your work surface and knead just together like this. Please don't over knead your dough. You don't need to knead it much. We are not making bread, all right? So after doing this, just mix everything, wrap it together, and we keep it aside. Now let's make the filling. In a pot, add some vegetable oil and add your diced onion direct into it and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that, it now depends on what you want to use. I'll be using Thurnfish for this. If you want to use mackerel fish, you need to boil it, debone it, and shred it, maybe with just a fork, and shred it. It's going to look like this. It's going to have this texture. Now pour it into the diced onion, add seasoning into it. I'll be adding curry, black pepper, and habanero pepper. You can omit this if you don't want it spicy. Now fry everything together. Just fry it for about 5 to 7 minutes. You're gonna love the aroma, and after that, keep it aside to cool down. Now flour your work surface. It's now time to continue with the dough. So all you need to do now is cut part of the dough and roll it out. After that, you're going to have this kind of flat dough like this. So all you need to do, you can just curl the edges so that you can have a better picture of what you're doing. So after this, look at how it looks now. Now I'm not going to get that's our fried Thurnfish. Like I've said, you can use mackerel fish as well. So that's the filling. All you need to do now is to roll it. Please don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching me from, and please watch up to the end so that you will not miss any part of this amazing fish roll. So I will just be closing this with some egg wash. You can use water to make sure that it is well closed. All right, this is super okay like this. It's now time to cut it. Cut to your desired sizes. You can cut it a little bit longer if you want it a bit longer, or than this. Okay, so now cut it. Like I've said, we are making 2-in-1. This is the one we're going to bake. It's now ready. All I need to do now is to egg wash it. I'll be using egg white. All right, I'm using egg white. You can add a teaspoon of milk into it and mix together, but I'm using pure egg white for this. After that, I'm going to bake in a preheated oven, 180 centigrade, for about 15 to 20 minutes. The second one is frying. Now heat up your vegetable oil and start deep frying. So once you're frying like this, you need to be turning it around like this. You flip it and flip it until they are golden brown. Once they're golden brown, then you can get them out of the oil. What you're going to have is this. Look at how yummy it looks. Do you like what you're seeing? Are you gonna try this? So let's see how it looks inside there. Tra-la-la! Look at this. It is super delicious. That is the baked one. All right, let me turn it around. It all depends. Let's open it. Both taste super delicious. Make sure you try it. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.